So we got the video of the removing the clutch, and then we got the one about the bell. What we're doing now is actually putting a new clutch back on. It just slides on this shaft. Once you get it slid on the shaft, you've got a bolt, which is knocking everything off. But you have a bolt and washer here that goes right here in the middle. It bolts in. Let me put this washer right here. That just bolts into the end of your shaft, and that's what holds your clutch on. There's no set screws. There's a long keyway on the shaft that keeps it from spinning that way you can get it. But other than that, it should slide off and slide on, and then you just take that bolt out and put the bolt back in. It's the only way. That's how you swap out the clutches. But sometimes they can be a little tight. They get hot and get rusty. Once they get hot and rusty, they end up makes it a little tough to get off. I end up having to take a grinder and cut the bell off of the last one. So I've got a video on that too. You get it, Papa? This is Papa, by the way. He's my little helper. He does pretty good. He don't speak English and I don't speak Spanish, so we never get in arguments. We get along just great. It's going, Papa, a little time. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Once we get that on, we just pretty much put your belt back on. The way to put the belt on is the same way you take it off. You loosen these motor mount bolts, and these under this is slotted, and it's the same way on the other side. The other side's actually got a long set screw here, and whenever you tighten it up, it pushes your motor over, and whenever that motor, when it pushes it to one side, it's what tightens the belt. It's pretty simple. You getting tired, Papa?
No, teacher.
But yeah, this one here I broke. Trying to get it off, it ended up breaking. So, but I'll end up replacing that. But yeah, you just loosen this screw. You loosen these. Whatever you do.
Oh, wait.
Whatever you, let's see. Now you'd be tightening this screw. Whenever you tighten it, it pulls it to you. Whenever you loosen it, it pushes it away. And that's pretty much how you put your clutches on. Gotta go way on them, Papa. Here, I'll get it. But I hope that helped y'all. So if you like my videos, you can always subscribe at the bottom. And there'll be more videos coming. Thanks.